Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on your two-factor authentication on Instagram. So, all you need to do is open Instagram, wait for it to load, then go to your profile on the bottom right, then click on the top right where the three little lines are, and click on settings. Once you have done that, you need to click on privacy. Sorry, I meant on security, my mistake. And here you'll find two-factor authentication right here. Click on that, and it basically explains what it is. It means when you try to log in, there will be an extra layer of security requesting a code each time you want to log in. So click get started. So you can either do it via authentication app. You can download different authentication apps, but most preferably it would be just for you to download the Google Authenticator, and you can just authenticate logins through simple clicks or via text message. Either one you want to use, just click on it and you'll be given a number to fill if you already haven't in Instagram, or here just to install the app for your authenticator. I guess they have their own, and that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a nice day.